Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra 5G. These are from Caseology. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, if you're looking for a case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, check out these cases from Caseology. We have their entire lineup that we're going to be reviewing. We have both the Note 20 Ultra 5G and also the Note 20. We're going to focus on today's review, or just comparison, on the Note 20 Ultra versions. We're also going to do a wireless charging test to make sure they charge, so let's get right to it. Now, the first case we're taking a look at is the Parallax case. It's TPU material, has some polycarbonate frame on here, and it's going to really change up the color for your Note. We know that the colors are limited. There's not a lot of options when it comes to the variety. And the reality is that all phones are the same color in the front. So having a case is going to give you that variety, change the color, especially since it's covering the back. So here we have the case on the phone, and you'll notice that it does a great job here doing some screen protection. So you can see how the edges are really high up here. On the back, it also does a really nice job protecting the camera, so it's above the camera module. And then over here, as we take a look at the cutouts are also nicely placed, right? All the controls, you can see them right here. And you can see also the pinhole mic. So all in all, pretty good. Let's see if it wireless charges. I'm going to put it right here on the wireless charging, and you can see that it charges as well. So here's a pretty good option. I like the back, the way it has this texture. Makes it easier to hold, and it's going to give you some great protection. Next are a couple more Parallax, but in different colors that you can see here. We have a black one, and we have one that's in a maroon color. They share the same features as you saw with the previous case. It's just really going to be based on your preference. I have a preference for black. I like just how sleek it looks. I like the matte finish on the side here. And again, it's going to have the same screen protection that you saw before. All we're looking at is different in the colors. So you have that polycarbonate frame, you have the same texture in the back. So depending on the color that you're going for, you could choose either one. Now, from wireless charging, go ahead and put it on the charger, and you can see it charges as well. Now, the next case we also have is another Parallax, but in a different color. You can see what the blue would look like. But we also now have the Skyfall. And the Skyfall has a polycarbonate back with TPU sides, and it's clear. So if you're looking for a clear case that is going to showcase the color that you chose, I think that this case would go well with, especially for this color. This one would go really nicely with the white version, especially because it has the white treatment over here. But it doesn't look bad in black either. So you'll notice here, shows off the back, shows off your colors really nicely. Now, this case is going to go really well with any color, but maybe even better with the white Note 20 Ultra. So you can see what the case looks like right here. So you have that polycarbonate frame, the back, TPU sides, great screen protection for your camera module, right? So that area is not going to get damaged. When we flip this over, this one is going to do really well. Dome glass will work here because it's raised high enough. So you're going to have the dome glass on top of it, and then you can expect that this will still give you some nice coverage. You have access to your buttons here, which are really nice, and we'll see if it wireless charges. So we're going to put it on the wireless charger, and it wireless charges as well. Now, the last two cases we're going to take a look at is the dual grip and another Skyfall, but this Skyfall has a black frame around it. This one is a polycarbonate case. It is more thin profile, but let's see how this is going to look. This is going to charge for sure with no problem. So you'll notice it has great camera protection. Actually, has fantastic camera protection. So very much raised here on the side. Has like these little cutouts here for impact protection. Has the grip. This is where the grip comes in. Has a little grippy area here. See that right there. Power button volume rocker, nicely. I really like this. I like the way it's cut out nicely, so it's easy to find. Screen protection, though, very thin profile. So if you do put a dome glass screen protector on this, it's probably not going to, it's going to be flush. It's not going to give a lot of protection, but that's what you have the dome glass for. Now, this one here is really going to showcase the color of your phone. I like the way this one looks with the black. So let's go ahead and put our phone in here really quick. We'll snap into place. This is a little bit tougher to get in. But now, again, black on black looks really good. So notice how same camera protection that we saw earlier, same protection on the bottom. Everything looks really nice and aligned. And we'll do a wireless charging test on this one. It's a little thicker, and it does test as well. So guys, cases from Caseology, giving you a lot of flexibility when it comes to look and feel and protection. But we have a lot of case reviews on the channel, so check out these videos if you'd like to learn more about options for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra.